What's up guys? This video is going to be on how to set up Visual Studio Code, which will be your editor. And if you already have one set up, then you could just skip to the next video. And if not, then keep watching. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is search up Visual Studio. Find the second link and click it. When the page loads up, scroll down, find this blue box right here, and click on Visual Studio Code. If you have Windows, then just click on this download for Windows. But if you have Mac OS or Linux, click on this arrow down, find the stable version, and then click on the right download link. But I have Windows, so I'm going to click here. Now just wait for it to install, and then open it. There we go. Now click on I accept the agreement, and then you just want to keep clicking next until you get the install button, as you can see. And you just wait. Once it's installed, click on finish and it's going to open the app. As you can see right here. And there's just one more thing we're going to want to do, and it's download an extension which is going to allow us to see the code that we're going to write later on. And to do that, you're going to want to find this panel on the left, and then find this last icon called extension and click it. Go to the toolbar on top and then search up live server here, and click on the first one that pops up and then click install. I already have it installed, so it's not going to show it, but yeah. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end for this Visual Studio setup tutorial, and if you have any more questions, leave a comment down below, and if you like this video, then please sub to the channel and leave a like. Thanks for watching.